Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Ariesya. Number matrix S59206. I am representative from Group 10 to demo our group project. So let me start. Our group project demo have two sets, which is the first one, we find the similarity with data that we have not removed the stop word or stemming, and the other one set is data that we have removed stop word and stemming. So let we find the similarity. So for the first one is cosine similarity. So enter sentences. So this is the first one, the first sentences, the first headline. Then the next one is this one. Then we find the similarity, which is 0.93167252, or it is 0.93. So the next one is checkered similarity. We wanted to compare the result between these two, so we run. So COVID. So the first sentences and the next sentences. Okay, so this is for jacket similarity. So it is 0.71. So if we see jacket similarity have smaller number than cosine similarity, which is cosine similarity for this headline is 0.93, while while jacket similarity is 0.71. So the next headline is this is the next headline for the first headline. So this is the second one for the next headline. Okay, so we wanted to know the cosine similarity. So it is 0.90. So we wanted to count the jacket coefficient similarity. So the first one and the next one. Okay, the second headline. So jacket coefficient similarity is 0.98. 0.98. So if we compare cosine similarity and jacket similarity with this headline, we have yes, jacket similarity have this with this headline, the jacket coefficient similarity have smaller number than cosine similarity also. So let's we try with the last one, the last headline. Okay, then the second one, the second pairs. Okay, this is so the cosine similarity is 0.91. So let we see the jacket coefficient similarity with the same headline. Okay, the jacket coefficient similarity is 0.68. So let's we compare. The second one is 0.68. So the first one is 0.91. So from these sets, which is we not remove any stop words or stemming, we just use the raw data. the raw input. So we can see that jacket similarity have much more smaller similarity when than cosine. So we move to our second set, which is all the data we have removed the stop word and stemming. So for sure, we start with cosine first with the first headline pair that we have removed the stop word and stemming. So this is the first sentence. You can see that we have removed the stop word and stemming. So let me copy the second one. Okay. Okay. This is the second one. So enter. So the custom similarity for the next set for the cosine is 0.92. We can see from the cosine. Oh no, we will compare cosine. For this set, we will compare the cosine and jacket first, then we will compare with the set one. So we run again for jacket. This is the data that we have removed stop word and stemming. Okay. So the jacket coefficient similarity is 0.6875. If we see from the cosine similarity, the jacket still have the smallest numbers of similarity rather than cosine. So let's we proceed to our second headline for the second side. For the cosine first. Okay. Then for the next sentences for the second headline. Okay, let me see the cosine similarity. It is 0.83. Okay, then we run for the jacket similarity for the same headline. Okay, the jacket coefficient similarity is 0.68. Okay, 0.68. Okay, so we run for the last headline for cosine similarity. Oh yeah, the second headline for the second set also, the jacket coefficient similarity still have the smallest number of similarity rather than cosine similarity. So we try for the last headline for the second set for cosine first. Okay, this is 10 sentences. Next sentences. Okay. So it is 0.92. So for the jacket similarity, zero for the last headline for second set is 0.65 for jacket coefficient similarity. So if we compare with the cosine similarity, it is much more smaller than cosine similarity, which is 0.65 and 0.93. So from what I am demo to you, we can see that jacket similarity have a smaller number than smaller similarity than cosine. If we compare the now the similarity from the set 1 and set 2. Set 1 we have no we don't remove stop word or make any stemming, and the second set we remove stop word and make stemming. So for the first headline, what can I say is if we remove the stop word from the set 2, we get the smaller similarity from the cosine and jacket. For yes, but we can see that for the second headline, the jack the jacket from the second headline, the first set uh is is if we compare cosine similarity from set 1 and set 2, set 1 have the higher than set 2, and the jacket coefficient similarity for set 1 and set 2, the set 1 is smaller than set 2. So what can I conclude? It is better to remove the stop word and stemming first to get the lower similarity, and jacket coefficient similarity have much more a smaller number from cosine. So I guess jacket uh, uh, is more jacket similarity is useful rather than cosine similarity, or we can conclude that when examining text similarity, jacket similarity is useful when the application isn't an issue, whereas cosine similarity is good where the application is an issue. For each sentence or document, jacket similarity consider only a single group of words, whereas cosine similarity consider the overall length of the vector. For comparing two documents, jacket similarity is better because repetition of a term does not lessen their similarity. So that's why jacket similarity is better than cosine similarity. So that's all from me. Thank you, Doctor, for uh, hearing our hearing and hearing our demo for the second time, and thank you for the second chances for our group. So that's all from me. Thank you.